you doing? Daisy. Daisy. Bite it and see what happens. Bite it just once.
She got it.
Did she get it?
Looks like it.
Oh my gosh. Silly dog. Doesn't she have pretty features? I mean, her little paws and the markings in her eyebrows, they're that little light brown. What is she doing? Gosh,
You're gonna get yourself dizzy, Daisy.
I don't remember Bolt chasing his tail.
He didn't.
What a troll.
You got her foot just hanging there. What are you doing, Daisy? Daisy.
It's like they're rubber legs or something.
I know.
More like a seal.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Now what? Go get Daddy. Oops, she's over there. Oh.